In this video, we will show you how to install your new Trident. Begin by retrieving the accessories and manual from the box. Step 1. Use an Allen wrench to loosen the stem and secure it onto the front fork by tightening the 4 screws. Step 2. Loosen the quick release with an Allen wrench and remove it. Install the kickstand and tighten it with an Allen wrench. Next, attach the tire and tighten it with a screwdriver. Step 3. Begin installing the headlight by removing the screws and placing them in the designated holes. Use an Allen wrench to secure the screws. Connect the ebike wires. Step 4. Attach the pedals according to the instructions and tighten them with an Allen wrench. Step 5. Power on the ebike and perform a series of tests. Remove the protective foam. Press the power button to start the test. Automatic seat. Lights. Power assist. Suspension functions. For more information, please visit Cyrusher.com.